Hello everyone. Today we are going to do types of array. So there are two types of array depending on the dimensions they carry. First is one dimensional, the other one is the multi-dimensional. Under my multi-dimensional we have two dimensional, three dimensional, four dimensional and so on till n dimensional. So what is one dimensional array? Okay, each element is represented by single subscript. Elements are arranged in consecutive memory location. There is single row, multiple columns. Okay. So this is how we represent the array one dimension. Okay. So these boxes are the cells. Okay, and these are the integers that is of same data type, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the index, that means position. For example, we need to find the cell number 40. Okay, so 40 here. So how we represent one dimensional array? We write an array. It can be a or ar, a double r. Then in brackets we write the position, index number. So 10 is at 0 index, 20 is at 1, 30 at 2 index, 40 is at 3 index. So we represent as ar3, cell number 40. So now what is two-dimensional array? Each element is represented by two subscripts. Okay, a two-dimensional array, that is m cross n, has m rows and n columns. So in one-dimensional array we have a single row, multiple columns, but in two-dimensional array we have rows as well as columns. So how we represent a array? In brackets, in first bracket we have the rows, number of rows, and in second bracket we have the number of the columns. Okay, so here is the diagram. Here is the table. You can see, for example, I need to calculate the cell number 50. Okay, cell number 50. So a array, in first bracket rows, we will calculate the rows, that is row is 0. Okay, so these are the rows and these are the columns. Okay, so there are 7 columns and 3 rows. So the row is 0 and the column is 4. Okay, so the column position index is 4. Now we will do three-dimensional array. Okay, so what is a three-dimensional array? Each element is represented by three subscripts, m cross n cross l, where m is the depth, n is the rows, l is the columns. Okay, whereas in one dimensional we only have the columns, in two dimensional we have rows and columns, and in three dimensional we have depth, rows and columns. So this is how we represent array 3 4 5. Here it is depth, 4 is rows and 5 is the column. Okay, if we will ask that what are the number of the elements, so the number of the elements are 3 into 4 into 5, that is 60. So this is a box. Okay, three-dimensional box. We calculate the depth in this way. Okay, it's 0 1 2. These are the number of the rows and these are the number of the columns. Okay, so for example, I need to calculate the cell number 20. Okay, so here it is cell number 20. So array depth. Okay, how we will calculate the depth? That is 0. It is 0 1 2. Okay, the depth is always in this side. So the depth is 2. The row. Okay, then 0 is the row. So the row is 0 1 2. So the row number is the 0. Okay, and 1 is the number of the columns. So how we calculate the column? That is 0 1 and 2. So here the column number is 1. Okay, so it is array 2 0 1. Similarly, if we need to calculate the cell number 140, how we will calculate array? What will be the depth? So depth will be 1. Okay, and what about the number of row? Okay, so row will be 0 1 and 2. So the row number will be 1 and the column number will be 0 1 2. Column number will also be 1. So the answer of the cell number 140 is array 111, that is depth, row and column. So thank you very much.